The growth and influence of the Me Too movement was inspired by the belief that men get away with sexual abuse and that our law doesn't take this matter seriously enough. And you'll hear proponents of this movement say things like, men are now finally being held accountable for their abuse, as if there's a long history where men could abuse women with impunity and where our law just didn't take this matter seriously. Unfortunately, this contention is completely and entirely false. In Chapter 3, I explain how, for much of our history, men who committed the R word could be put to death. And I refer to this terrible crime as the R word because some social media sites flag videos that use that word, and I don't want my videos flagged. Nonetheless, we know which terrible crime I'm referring to. It wasn't until 1977, in the case of Coker versus Georgia, that the Supreme Court decided that states could no longer impose the death penalty for this crime. Nonetheless, right up until that time, some states imposed the death penalty on men who committed the R word. And this is all the more remarkable when one considers how most of these statutes were written. In most states and in most common law jurisdictions, this crime was defined in such a way that only men could be perpetrators and only women could be victims. So those who make the contention that our law has not held men accountable, they're either ignorant of our law and history or they just make these claims willfully. I explain this further in Chapter 3. For anybody who's interested, the book is available in ebook version and paperback on Amazon, and I have a link in the comments. Check it out.